Lesson, days of the week, school or work days, weekend and long weekend.
Hello, welcome to Kokolo English. In this class, you'll learn to speak English step by step. This is real-life English you can start using today.
Welcome back, students, for another ESL lesson. This is a beginner English lesson for A1 to A2 learners. Our goal is to help you speak English clearly and naturally. Each lesson is short, so it's easy for you to watch and practice often.
In today's class, you'll learn about days of the week, school or work days, weekend, long weekend. Okay, let's get started. First, think about these 3 questions. What day is it today? Do you go to school or work Saturday? What do you do on the weekend? These questions will help you use today's new vocabulary.
Lesson introduction. In English, people often talk about their weekly schedule. They say things like, I work Monday to Friday. I go to school during weekdays. We like to relax on the weekend. On a long weekend, I like to travel. Today you will learn words and simple phrases to talk about your week.
Lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to name the 7 days of the week, talk about school or work days, talk about the weekend, understand the meaning of a long weekend. The class is designed for you to listen, read examples, and practice speaking. A practice box will signal when it's time for you to practice your English. Remember, it's okay if you make a mistake. Mistakes are an important part of learning. Just keep on trying.
Days of the week. English has 7 days in a week. In English, days of the week always start with a capital letter. The days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now it's your turn to say each day of the week and practice your English. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
School or work days. For many people, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is a school or work day. Monday to Friday are also called weekdays. Example phrases: I work from Monday to Friday. We go to school on weekdays. Tuesday is just another work day for me. Do we have a math test on Wednesday? Our meeting is first thing Thursday morning. I'll be in my office most weekdays. Now it's your turn to practice these weekday phrases. I work from Monday to Friday. We go to school on weekdays. Tuesday is just another work day for me. Do we have a math test on Wednesday? Our meeting is first thing Thursday morning. I'll be in my office most weekdays.
Weekend. The weekend includes both Saturday and Sunday. Many people rest, relax, or have fun on their weekend. Example phrases. Have you got plans for the weekend? I'm going to just relax this weekend. We go grocery shopping on Saturdays. My office is closed on the weekend. I like to sleep in on Sunday. Would you like to watch a movie Saturday or Sunday? Now it's your turn to practice your English. Have you got plans for the weekend? I'm going to just relax this weekend. We go grocery shopping on Saturdays. My office is closed on the weekend. I like to sleep in on Sunday. Would you like to watch a movie Saturday or Sunday?
Long weekend. A long weekend happens when there is an extra day off school or work. The extra Monday off is called a holiday Monday. This gives people 3 days to rest, relax, or travel. Example phrases: have you any plans for your long weekend? During a 3-day long weekend, I go visit friends. It's a holiday Monday this long weekend. I'll be away from the office this long weekend. These next 3 days, I'm just going to relax. A long weekend, 3 days off school. Now it's your turn to practice speaking English. Have you any plans for your long weekend? During a 3-day long weekend, I go visit friends. It's a holiday Monday this long weekend. I'll be away from the office this long weekend. These next 3 days, I'm just going to relax. A long weekend, 3 days off school.
Conversations using days of the week. Example 1. Do we have a math test this Monday or Friday?
I think the test is on Wednesday.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure our teacher told us last week. Example 2. This weekend is a long weekend, but my office will be open.
Which of the 3 days would you like to meet?
Let's have the meeting on the holiday Monday.
That sounds good. I'll see you then.
Example 3. This week was so busy, I'm looking forward to the weekend.
Is this a long weekend coming up?
Nope, just a regular 2-day weekend.
Okay, but let's still get together on Sunday. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Writing weekdays with a small letter. In English, always write each day with a capital letter. Mistake 2. Forgetting to use a preposition or connecting word. Example, I'll meet you Friday. It's better to say, I'll meet you on Friday. Another example, the math test this Monday. It's better to say, the math test is this Monday. Mistake 3. Using a plural incorrectly. Example, I'm going to play soccer weekends. It's better to say, I'm going to play soccer this weekend.
Lesson summary. In today's class, you learned the 7 days of the week. The difference between weekdays and the weekend, what a long weekend means. And you practice speaking English phrases using these words. Well, that's all for today's lesson. Practice this days of the week lesson often. If this lesson was helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more upcoming lessons. Also, share these lessons with family and friends. Hope to see you in the next class. Bye for now.